Okay, so here are my 4 dumbbell exercises to target your 3 delts. Okay, so para to sa shoulder. Okay, so first exercise is dumbbell overhead press. So pwede mo siyang gawin ng standing or seated position. So for now, gagawa tayo ng dumbbell overhead press pero nakasit tayo, okay? So first, kuha kayo ng dumbbell and then upo kayo sa bench. Okay. So make sure na bago ang pag-grab niyo ng dumbbell, silagay niyo muna sa tuhod. And then kick, grab the dumbbell, place it on your shoulder, and then side ang elbows, and then push patas. Okay, and then go down. Ayan. Then up. Okay, so second exercise tayo. Gagawa tayo ng standing dumbbell front raises. Okay, so kuha kayo ng dumbbell. Ayan. And then stand straight. Stand straight. Lean forward. Maintain yung chest out. Front ang dumbbells. And then, i-front raise niyo siya hanggang shoulder level. Okay, go front raise. Yeah, then down. Ayan. 2. 3. 4. Okay, so third exercises tayo. So, gagawa tayo ngayon ng lateral raises para sa ating side delts. So, sa gilid siya na shoulder. Okay, so sa dumbbell ulit ito, and then standing tayo. So, kuha tayo ng dumbbell. Ayan. And then stand straight. Same lang din. Stand straight. And then ang dumbbell is sa gilid. Ayan. Chest out, lean forward. And then, i-raise nyo lang siya ng patagilid hanggang sa shoulder level yung elbows nyo, okay? Ayan. Kailangan, yung elbows is mas mataas sa dumbbell. 2. And then, pa-sideways lang siya. Okay, so fourth exercise para sa shoulder is the rear delt dumbbell flies, okay? So, para sa rear delts, and then gagamit tayo ng dumbbells. So, ganito siya i-execute. Kuha kayo ng dumbbells, and then upo kayo sa bench. Ayan. And then make sure na yung paa nyo is nasa harap. And then ang dumbbell is pailalim ng tuhod. Ayan. And then lean forward. And then maintain nyo na yung position nyo. More on elbows na lang yung gagawa ng movement. Okay? So, patagilid. Ayan. Same lang din ang procedure na mas mataas yung elbows compared sa dumbbells. So, okay. So, ayun yung 4 na variations or exercises to target the 3 delts of your shoulder.